If you're new to liquidity, I'm going to explain it to you now. If you're not new to liquidity, use the chapters to skip ahead to the start of the next chapter, and we'll start on the more advanced technique. So liquidity in a market refers to orders. Orders generally in the form of stop losses and buy stops and sell stops. There are two very common forms of liquidity and two that we'll be using in the more advanced method. These are equal high, which is this one here, and equal low liquidity, which simply refers to support and resistance levels, and then ascending and descending trend lines. General retail education suggests when you see a resistance level in a market, you should look to sell that resistance, okay? So after the second tap forms, anywhere from there on becomes a good selling level. Now, the general idea there then is when you sell, your stop loss will go above the resistance, because the idea is the market is likely to react from this resistance level and trade down without breaking above. So we know from this there is going to be a lot of traders with stop loss orders above the equal highs. So here we have stop losses. Now, as well as this, we have breakout traders who will be looking for the market to push up and break above a resistance level and then use it on the retest as a support to buy from. So as well as stop loss orders being above the high, we're going to have buy stop orders, which are automatic buy orders. Essentially, this creates more liquidity and more orders above that level. Now, if we think about what a stop loss is, in the case of a sell trade, it is an order to automatically buy back contracts for more than you sold them for, because a short selling order, i.e. selling at these levels, is simply where you sell with an obligation to buy back later, regardless of whether it's a higher or lower price. So stop losses in this instance are actually buy orders. We have a large amount of buy orders above this level, now in two formats, in stop losses and in buy stops. Now, if we have a massive amount of buy orders,